You're a little bit short on the right there.
Yeah, I can feel that.
Yeah. Do you have pain over here?
I do.
Does it shoot down your legs at all?
No.
0 to 10 is the pain level.
Maybe a 3.
Consistent?
Yeah. In there. Yep.
Deep breath and hold for me. Breathe out, hold it down. Good. Deep breath. All the way up.
Okay, deep breath, Mom. I'm going.
Just a little. Deep breath. Bring it out. Good.
Take a deep breath, Mom.
Thank you.
Other side. Deep breath in. All the way out.
And Mom,
If you
sit
lay on
up
your
and
left
take
side.
a deep breath like this. You're so helpful.
You are. Are you gonna be a chiropractor now?
That would be amazing.
Yes, it would.
Face the wall that way, please. You have to do that for your mommy, okay? You have to become a chiropractor. Deep breath. Breathe out. Other side. Other side. Good. Breathe out.
I need my trainer.
Face up. A little bit. Deep breath in.
Mom, take a deep
Breathe
breath
out.
like
Other
this.
side.
Oh,
Yes.
Oh my god.
Relax your arms.
That's so amazing.
One of my favorite moves. Alright. Okay.
A little on this side. Yeah.
Turn and push. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Let it go.
Oh, that was a good one.
Deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh,
Too much pressure?
it's just tight, but that feels good.
One more. Deep breath. Breathe out. Let it go.